Good day. Can you read this decimal number? What place value is the digit 8? That will be our lesson today. Like whole numbers, decimal numbers have also their own place values. For discussion, let me cite an example of this decimal number. Digit 1 is in the 10th place. This is the first place value after the decimal point. The place values of the decimal numbers ends with THS. I repeat, ends with THS. The next is hundreds. I repeat, hundreds. The next place value is thousands. I repeat, thousands. The next one is 10 thousandths. I repeat, 10 thousandths. The next one is 100 thousandths. I repeat, 100 thousandths. Of course, we have more place values, but we will end in 100 thousandths. To give you more example, take a look with the following. Our first instruction is to let you read the number and then find the place value of the specific digit. If you are reading a decimal number, start by reading the whole number followed by the word end to indicate the decimal point. Then read the decimal part as if you are reading a whole number, but don't forget to indicate the place value of the last digit. I will read this as 4 and 321 thousandths. Digit 2 is in the hundreds place. I repeat, digit 2 is in the hundreds place. The next example is read as 1 and 825 thousandths. Digit 8 is in the 10th place. Let's read again the number 1 and 825 thousandths. Digit 8 is in the 10th place. And how about this example? How do you read this decimal number? It is read as 2 and 478 thousandths. Let's read again. 2 and 478 thousandths. Digit 8 is in the thousandths place. Now, it's your turn. The instruction is to read the decimal number and then find out the place value of the specific digit. Open ang Batch 5, isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Saan ka pa? Libre na? De kalidad pa!